Well, here's my first video of YouTube. Show you my tractor, 1975 Sears SS18 twin cylinder. Nice Onan engine. Got this. Actually, I can't remember when I got this. A couple months ago, in the winter time. Paid $225 for it, not running. Currently does run, but I can start it. Nice engine here. I have been having some issues with the belt. It was set up incorrectly, so I need a new belt now. I got these tires off of eBay here. Those are just your average snowboard tires. These are quad tires. They're 22 by 10s, but really they're 23s because they got at least an inch of thread on them. I got the 3-point hitch here. I currently do not have any attachments because I just recently got the 3-point hitch. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Once I get the belt, hopefully this weekend I'll be posting a video me changing the belt and doing a brake adjustment, so I can I'll start her up here. I got my keys here. Hopefully she'll start. I've been having some issues with it. I've been using it to start. I've been jump starting it with a screwdriver because I haven't had a proper key. Now I do. Alright, let's see, how am I going to do this? I'll try it right here. I'm just going to put my thing here to try to start it. Let's see if I can. This is the thing about having an iPhone for a camera. I don't have a good camera yet. I just started doing this YouTube thing. Alright, just give her a shot. Hang on. My clutch has been acting up too. I gotta do an adjustment on that. Come on. Ah, right there. That's the problem. You got these little safety switches here. Right there. If I could see. Yep. My attachment clutch isn't out all the way. Put it back in. Flicks that switch. Now, give her another shot. Start up like nothing now. There we go. Well, I guess I'm out of gas. Let's sit for a second. Try it again. We'll choke it on. Yeah, I got my foot on the clutch, it's in all the way. The belt's still spinning there. But it worked properly, but it was hooked up incorrectly, so I hooked it up right. Now it won't work, so I think the belt's too small. Grab her up here for you. Well, there you have it. Ah, stupid iPhone. You're focusing. There we go. It's a nice little tractor. I'm happy. I like it. I made a front bumper for it in my manufacturing class, so it looks a little nice. Thinking about putting a light bar on it. I don't know yet. And then I also made a trailer for it that's piled with wood. Made a trailer. At the time when I was making it, we didn't have some nice strong angle iron, so I used this really flimsy flat bar. But I can get some angle iron now, so I might leave this on, put angle iron on the top, and let it hang over like this, and it'll be stronger. I also have a front loader for it with a whole bunch of other junk on it. Front loader currently is missing a subframe and a pump. Oh yeah, if anyone is watching this, if you can hook me up with a subframe, let me know. And so buddy said it worked. Needs some new hydraulic lines, but that's no big deal. It's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'll be posting another video hopefully tomorrow or sometime this weekend of me changing the belt. And throughout the year I'll be posting videos of my sister's tractor. We're going to be stripping it down and totally restoring it for her. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and be posting some videos soon. Alright, see you later.